Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here. What do I have here? This is tamarind, or tamarindo. The Latin countries pronounce it tamarindo. It's comes from actually Africa and Asia areas. It's a legume. It comes from a tree. You know, the fruit dangles like this, or whatever you want to call it, the pods. This is why you should eat this. I have another video on how to eat it. Watch that one, but it is pretty easy. You just break it open like that. It goes flying all over the place, see it? And then, you pull it away. You pull this outer crust, and then it reveals this. It's kind of like date-like. The same consistency. There's seeds in it. But this video is on why you should eat it. And it's loaded with antioxidants, and it's loaded with all kinds of amino acids and a lot of the vitamin B's that are healthy for you. Good for your hearts, good for your bone density. It's it's one of the ingredients in Worcestershire sauce. I think I pronounced that right. Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to show you how to eat this on another video, but it has these little veins, these little membranes, these little strings that you pull off, and you pop them in your mouth. It's good for liver health. It's got beta carotene, so it's good for your eyes. It's good for your cardiovascular system. It's got some good fiber, a little protein. It's low cal. It's actually good for your brain. Another thing is it's a natural digestive. So it's good for your digestion, but it's also good as a laxative. I swear to God, you eat this, you'll go to the bathroom, which is a good thing. Now, they say that it's good for diabetes, but just watch it. It's got a lot of potassium. Just watch it if you're on medication, if you really have a lot of health issues. Ask your doctor on how much you should eat this, but it's natural. It's really good. It's got iron also, and it's also... Eat foods like this every day, antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, and they help you with cancer also. So, why eat tamarind or tamarindo? Depends on where you're at. All those great reasons. Another reason is, well, you like to always end it up, why should you eat it? I mean, if it doesn't taste good, you can't eat it. Well, let's break a little piece off. It's almost like candy. They do use these in savory and sweet foods. You can make desserts out of them. They make curries out of them. So many different ways to eat it. You cook it. I'm eating this one raw. Oh my goodness. You chew around the seed, you can. Why else eat it? It just tastes pretty darn good. Very tart. Oh, for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Hey, Mike Parker here. Parker. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, my goodness. I'm not sure if that's a sweet babu, but boy. I'm done with that one. That one's done.